Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through exactly how to change the role of delegates on the X app using your PC, all based on the latest 2025 update. Whether you're managing a brand account, a community page, or a personal profile, this quick guide will make sure you can adjust delegate roles smoothly in just a few clicks. First, open the X app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to manage delegates. Once you're on your home page, look toward the left side of your screen and click on the More icon. It usually appears as 3 dots or a small circle with dots inside. That's your gateway to the full menu. Next, scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Click on it, and from the menu that opens, select Security and Account Access. This is where X keeps all the options related to permissions, passwords, and delegated access. Now, click on Delegate. You'll see an option called Members you've delegated. Select this to open your list of current delegates, basically, the people who have access to help manage your account. From here, locate the account whose role you'd like to change. Maybe you're upgrading someone's level of access or lowering it to maintain tighter security. Once you find the right name, click Change Role. The system will show you a few role options depending on what level of management access you want to grant. After choosing the new role, confirm your selection. X will save your changes immediately, and the account's permissions will be updated without needing to log out or restart the app. That's it. You've successfully learned how to change the role of delegates on the X app using your PC. This new update makes it quicker than ever to manage team access while keeping your account organized and secure. So the next time you need to adjust permissions, you'll know exactly where to go and what to do.